Welcome to this guided meditation for focused attention. You can use this practice at any time of the day, whether you are starting your morning, taking a lunch break, or winding down in the evening. It's a simple yet powerful way to bring your mind back to the present moment and focus on whatever you are doing. In today's practice, we'll focus on the breath as it moves in and out of your nostrils. Each breath will be your anchor, grounding you in the present moment. So let's begin. Find a comfortable sitting position, whether on a chair or on the floor. If you're in a chair, let your feet rest flat on the ground, and if possible, sit away from the back of the chair to keep your spine self-supporting. However, if you need to lean back for support, that's perfectly fine. If you're sitting on the floor, choose any posture that feels relaxed yet alert. Remember, the sincerity of your practice is more important than the exact posture. Once you are settled, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze downwards. Take a moment to notice the contact your body makes with the seat or the ground beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being supported. Become aware of your posture and make any minor adjustments to ensure you feel balanced and at ease. Begin to notice the natural rhythm of your breath without trying to change it. Simply observe the air as it flows in and out of your nostrils. Pay attention to the sensation of each inhale and exhale, feeling the coolness of the air as it enters and the warmth as it leaves. Let's stay with this simple act of breathing for a few moments. Take these moments to fully immerse yourself in the experience of each breath. Feel the air entering your body and then being gently released. Let your breath be the center of your focus, your anchor in this moment. You might find your attention drifting to thoughts, feelings, or external sounds, and that's okay. When you notice your mind has drifted away from your breath, gently acknowledge where it went and then guide your attention back to the sensation of breathing. Focus on the entire cycle of each breath, from the moment it enters your body to the moment it leaves. Each time you return to the sensation of breathing, you are strengthening your ability to focus. Stay with the breath. Observe each inhale and exhale as a complete cycle. Feel the air coming in, filling your lungs, and then being released back into the world. Continue to pay close attention to this full cycle of your breath. As we come to the end of this focused attention practice, take a few deep breaths at your own pace. Feel the expansion and contraction of your body with each breath, and notice the calm and clarity that may be present. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes if they've been closed. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Remember that focusing on one point in your body, like your breath, is a powerful way to cultivate focused attention. It's completely natural for your mind to wander. The key is to gently bring your attention back each time it does. With consistent practice, this will become easier and more effective. Keep practicing, and you will find your ability to focus will only grow stronger. Thank you for dedicating this time to your well-being. Have a gentle transition back to your day, carrying this sense of presence with you. My name is Francis. Namaste. If you enjoy this guided meditation, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.